Hey, it's Yayforyarn, and I have finished my Minty Fresh shawl from the June 2018 KnitCrate, and so I thought I would show you some pictures of the finished product. This was the June 2018 KnitCrate project, the knitting one. There was also a crochet project, but I chose the knitting project. And this one is the Minty Fresh shawl by Tyga Hilliard. And the pattern itself, the shawl itself, is very pretty, very nice details in it. It starts out in the center as kind of a V-shaped triangle shawl with a really pretty leaf lace stitch, and then it moves on into some garter stitch more towards the edge, and some of those garter stitch rows have some elongated stitches in them, and it gives a really nice texture. And then the shawl is finished with a border of fringe. Overall, I really enjoyed knitting this project. I think it's a really good pattern chosen for this yarn. It was fun to work with. It felt really good on my hands, and I really enjoyed creating this shawl from the yarn included in my KnitCrate. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out how you can get your own KnitCrate subscription and get 20% off of your first month, you can use the coupon code yayforyarn20 and the link in the description box below for 20% off of your first crate. If you've ever tried a KnitCrate, let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.